Our project is over roly-polies.
Roly-poly bugs are cold-blooded and live best in moist conditions and tend to congregate in moist places.
How does your organism metabolism change in response to different temperature environments? It moves faster in the cold water than in the warm water. Experiment purpose statement. The purpose of the experiment is to determine what effect the temperature of the environment has on the respiration rate of our organism by measuring the production of carbon dioxide in 3 different temperature environments.
If we place the roly-poly in the cold temperature environment, then the CO2 will increase compared to the room temperature environment in the CO2 production. If we place the roly-poly in a warm temp environment, then the CO2 will decrease.
Experimental design, independent variable. Water temperature environment, dependent variable, CO2 production. Control group, room temperature. Constants, roly-poly, and same type of water.
Is your organism a K strategist or R strategist? It is an R organism, small, have large litters, strong sex drive, weak.
The 4 main life stages of a roly-poly: egg, manka, juvenile, adult, and they can live up to 5 years. Tropic levels are wet leaves, wet stones, and wet sand. Accept or reject warm/cold water. Warm water. We accept our hypothesis because the organism would rather live in cold water than in warm water because it also changes the production of the CO2 production. We reject the hypothesis of warm water because of the organism. Our problems. We had some problems. We took out the roly-poly that was in the warm water too early and it messed up our graph. There could have been roly-polies that died and might have messed up the CO2 production. Our resources were roly-poly, lab report, rubric, containers, and the graph thing.